Good morning, everyone. Yeah, good morning. On Friday, we were doing exercise 13.6, and in 13.6, we have done 6 questions. The last 2 questions are left of the exercise, then 2 more exercises are left of this chapter. And if you can recall, we have started this chapter on 11th of November. Now it is December, I guess. Some of the students are asking, sir, when the exams will start. You can have an estimation of the same by 15th of December. Just keep in this date in your mind, 15th of December, because every year you know that periodic starts nearby 15th of December. This year also the same. Okay, let us begin with this question. A lead pencil consists of a cylinder of wood with a solid cylinder of graphite filled in the interior. As you know, if you purchase a pencil, then if you look at the top and bottom, then it is a cylindrical in shape. There can be a triangular pencil also, but I am talking about the cylindrical pencil. Okay, so cylindrical pencil is obviously cylindrical in shape, and it consists of wood and the graphite inside. Okay, and both are in the shape of the cylinder. So all the things are given here. A diameter of the pencil is this, diameter of the graphite is this, and length of the pencil is also given. We have to find the volume of wood used in making that pencil, and also the volume of graphite. Okay, starting with this, let me make a diagram to explain you. So, so something like this. So this cylinder in the center is the graphite, and this part is wood. Right? Radius of pencil that starts from the center point till here. This is the radius of pencil. Okay, that is 7 by 2 mm, and the diameter of graphite is also given. So radius of graphite is only from here to here. This is the radius of the graphite. I hope you have understood this. This is the radius of the graphite, and from this point to the outer point, this is the radius of pencil, and this is the radius of graphite. This much only. Okay, then radius of graphite in it is 1 by 2 millimeter, and length of pencil can be represented by H, that is 14 centimeter. Convert this into millimeter by multiplying it by 10. 140 millimeter. So H is 140 millimeter. Now one more thing. The radius of pencil, which is a bigger radius, that I am representing by capital R, and this I am representing by small r. Clear? Okay. Then we have to calculate the volume of wood and volume of graphite. So I'm calculating volume of graphite first of all. Volume of graphite. Graphite is this, the thin slender in the center, that is pi r square h, 22 by 7 into r. R of graphite is 1 by 2 square into h. H is 140. So it is 22 into upon 7 into 1 by 4 into 140. This and this cancels out. 20 and 4 and this is also cancels out. This is 110 millimeter cube. I've calculated in millimeter. So you can also calculate in millimeter. After this, volume of wood. See, volume of wood is not equal to volume of pencil. Wood is only this part. In this part only we have wood. The rest is filled with graphite. So this part is wood. Same here, this part is wood. Okay, the same like this. So, and the center part is graphite. That's why writing here volume. We have done this formula earlier, so I am again repeating this formula. You should know this formula. Gunveer is asking, sir, 140 is the height of pencil. Then why have you written 140 as the height of graphite? See, height of pencil is 140 millimeter. Fine. Then what will be the height of graphite? Graphite will come, means graphite can be bigger than this pencil or it can be smaller than this pencil. That will be same. So height of both will be same. Graphite is hidden inside. Okay, that's why height of pencil and graphite will be same. That is a part of pencil. Yeah, volume of wood used, that is pi capital R square minus small r square into h. This is one of the method, and the second method is calculate volume of pencil, then subtract these two. The second method is to calculate the volume of pencil, then volume of wood used will be, okay, go by that method. Leave this formula. If you volume of pencil, that is pi capital R square h, 22 by 7 into r. R now 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 140. This and this cancels out. 20. 2 and this cancels out. 2 and this cancels out. So now the answer being 110 into 49. 5390 millimeter cube. Note down till here. Okay, and after this volume of wood is equal to volume of pencil minus volume of graphite, 5280 millimeter cube. Note it down. We are moving on to the next question. Complete this solution. Starting. A patient in a hospital is given soup daily in a cylindrical bowl of diameter 7. Okay, then radius of cylindrical bowl, that is 7/2 centimeter, and if the ball is filled with the soup to the height of 4 centimeter. See, the question is like this, that it is a cylindrical bowl in which the soup is filled and it is given to 250 patients. Okay, and the soup is not filled up to the brim, means it is not filled up to the full length of this cylindrical bowl. Okay, means up to the top. It is only filled up to the height of 4 centimeter. Suppose it is filled till here, soup. And this height is 4 centimeter. Then do not get confused. We'll take height as 4 centimeter and we'll be able to calculate the volume of the soup served to one patient. Okay, if we'll take the height of this, just ignore this height, this extra height, because we do not have soup in this part of the in this portion of the cylinder. So height of height till which soup is filled 4 centimeter. And after this, volume of soup served to 250 patients. See, if I'll apply this formula pi r square h, which is the volume of cylinder, I'll be able to calculate the volume of soup in one bowl. Okay, and if I want to calculate for 250 patients, then I have to multiply by 250. So 250 multiplied by 22/7. into R, that is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into H, that is 4. Yes, and this cancels out. 7 cancels out. Multiply by 154. So 250 multiplied by 154, 38500. Centimeter cube. Note it down. Veer Devender is asking for the previous solution. Have a look. 10 seconds. Then I'll shift to the next question. So this is also done. Now let us begin with the next exercise. That is related to cone, volume of cone. Now let us recall the formulas. Volume of cone is 1/3 of the volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder, just you have done pi r square h. Multiply it by 1/3. The volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, and rest you should know how to calculate L, that is under root h square plus r square, and even how to calculate h and r with the help of this formula. And rest surface area formulas, if it will be required, then we know CSA is pi RL and TSA is pi R L plus R. So starting with this question, basic question. See, one part I'll do, one part you have to do by your own in your homework. First part, radius is 6 centimeter and height is 7 centimeter and it is of a cone. So we have to find the volume. So volume is equal to 1/3 pi r square s. So 1/3 pi 22/7 into r, that is 6 into 6 into h. H is 7. 7 and 7 cancels out. 3 and this cancels out. So 44 into 6. This is very basic question. 264 centimeter cube. Do not write the wrong unit. I have told you this again and again. Okay, next question number 2. Find the capacity in liters of a conical vessel with radius and slant height. Capacity means volume, and for volume we do not need slant height, we need h, the perpendicular height. Okay, so radius is 7 centimeter and L is 25 centimeter, and we have to calculate h, that is under root L square, sorry, under root L square minus R square. So h is equals to under root 25 square minus 7 square, that is 625 minus 49, and that is 576, and finally it is 24 centimeter. So h we have now 24 centimeters, so we can calculate now the volume. Volume of cone is equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So 1 upon 3 into pi 22 by 7. Ispal is asking for the last solution. Ispal, try to solve by yourself. Only you have to put the value in this formula that we are doing. Into h, that is 24. 7 and 7 cancels out. 3 and this cancel out 8. So 154 into 8, and it is 1232 centimeter cube. 1232 centimeter cube, and we have to find the capacity in liters. So 1 liter contains how many centimeter cube? 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, so it is 1232 divided by 1000, and finally the answer is 1.232 liters. This way we have to do the second question. So second part is your homework. Note it down. Okay. And the first solution which Ishpal and Tanjot are asking. You can see both actually together. Yash has calculated already the rest of the parts. Is it in the answers? Okay, then next question number 3, and be a little quick in writing. Height of the cone is given 15 centimeter, and the volume of cone 1570 centimeter cube. Volume formula being 1/3 pi r square h is equal to 1570, and we'll find the radius. So put the values 3.14 pi. R we have to calculate, and h is 15. So r square is equals to 1570 into 3 upon 3.14 into 15. Cut this in this 5 and cut this in this 314. Remove point 100. 314 cancels out. So r square is equal to 100, and that is square of 10. So squares removed. So r is equal to 10 centimeter. Yes, the answers were correct. The answer of the second part, just you can check from back. First, I have seen it is correct. Done. Next question. Note it down. Next. If the volume of a right circular cone is, these are all easy questions. Oh, okay. Right. Volume of cone is 48 pi centimeter cube, and height is 9 centimeter. You have to find the diameter, and to calculate diameter, we have to calculate first radius. Yes. And the volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h is equal to 48 pi. The first step, pi and pi cancels out. and put the value of h. 3 and this 9 cancels out, then r square is equal to 48 by 3, that is 16. So r square is 4 square and r is 4 centimeter, and d is 2 into r, that is 2 into 4 is equal to 8 centimeter. This is the answer. Note it down. Yes, Gunveer, pi we have to cancel. Pi have cancelled both sides. There is no need to put the value of pi because that will be same, and so better to cancel them in advance. Next, a conical pit of top diameter. Okay, so diameter is 3.5 meters and radius is 3.5 by 2 meters, or we can write it as 35 by 20 meters, and the height is 12 meters. What is the capacity in kiloliters? So volume, Veer Devender has written the answer. Okay, so Veer Devender, where is he? Veer Devender. Okay, he's here. Unmute. Unmute Veer. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Veer Devender.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. So tell me, you have written 38.5 kiloliter. Tell me how many kiloliters are there in 1 meter cube?
1000.
1000. Very good. That's why you've written the correct answer. Okay, now understand it carefully. That is wrong. Mute it now. Or mute yourself. Yeah, fine. Very fast. He's writing answers. That's why I said, let us check if he's knowing it. You're confused. In 1 meter cube, there are 1000 liters, not kiloliters. I have told this relationship also in the starting. Kunvi, you are also wrong. Let me tell you, volume of this conical pit is equals to pi r square h, 1 by 3. So 1 upon 3 into pi, that is 22 by 7, into r, that is 35 by 20, into 35 by 20, into h. What have you written, Adityajan? 10,000. Very good. I'll clear this doubt of all. 5, and with this 3 and 4 cancels out, this 5 and this 20 cancels out, 4 and 4 cancels out, 5 7s are 5 4s are 211. So it is 77 by 2 meter cube, 38.5 meter cube. Now keep this in mind. 1 kiloliters contains 1 meter cube. There is no change. Both the units are same, exactly same. 1 kiloliter contains 1 meter cube. Therefore, it can be written into kiloliters also. I am not asking liters. It is kiloliters. See this. 1 meter cube contains 1000 liters. Yes. And 1 kiloliter contains 1000 liters. Means both of these units contain 1000 liters. That's why these two units are equal to each other. Now keep this relation in mind. 1 meter cube, 1000 liter, 1 kiloliter, 1000 liter. Okay, that's why these two units are exactly same. They have asked in kiloliters, not in liters. Done. And the rest of the questions will start tomorrow. Bye, take care, and note it down.